Good morning, all. This is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. Today is Sargie's last VET appointment. I spell it because he knows what that is. He's too smart for my own good. Today is the day that he will cross the Rainbow Bridge. In fact, it's about 4 hours from right now. So, just wanted to give you, besides that update, but taking time off from filming. So what I'll be showing instead is a series of shorts videos. I hope you enjoy them. They're on a wide range of topics which are not actually history related. Just things I thought were interesting as I filmed in different places. And even if I do have longer length history related videos that will premiere, don't expect me to be in the live chat. I don't have it in me. I don't want to talk about this with anyone. I just want to be left with my grief. I'm putting down a very good friend today. So, I appreciate your understanding, and I'd say it's going to be a good, solid couple of weeks. And yes, I should have enough shorts videos to get me through that. I collect them, I hold on to them for when I'm not feeling well, or, God, times like this. On a happy note, he's been biting and clawing me, which is very unpleasant. And hasn't slept with me in a few days, which I really sorely miss. And this morning, when he heard me stirring, he came over and was headbutting me all over over my face, more like himself. And after all that, I had dozed off, and when I awoke, he was sleeping on me. I knew I missed that stuff, but it was really nice. Right now, he's lying on top of the couch. Looking out the window, being himself. So, a couple of updates for you on that, and appreciate your patience as I grieve this loss. This is Patricia, and I'm traveling for history, and I hope like crazy that you're having a much, much better day than I am. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.